An over 30-member U.S. delegation, including the Flying Tigers veterans and their descendants, have visited China, enhancing the friendship between the two countries. The Flying Tigers, officially known as the American Volunteer Group of the Chinese Air Force, was formed in 1941 and led by U.S. General clearly channeled to help China drive out invading Japanese troops. They are known to almost every family in China. On November 1st, the delegation visited the Chongqing Stilwell Museum in southwest China's Chongqing municipality. The museum is named after the former U.S. general who helped the Chinese government and people during the fight against Japanese aggression.
I think that I'm very pleased to see such a beautiful museum and the honor that you pay and the tribute that you pay to what these people sacrificed and what they did, and that they're remembered here in China. I think it's so very important. So thank you everybody for doing that.
These are men who believe that we must cooperate with China. They believe in the power of the shared American and Chinese legacy of the Flying Tigers. That's our mission, is to share that legacy. China remembers its old friends. That's why we're here. Yes. So we are touched. The veterans were just remarkably touched. We are so lucky and we are so fortunate, and we are committed to moving forward.
The Flying Tigers helped transport arms and other materials to support China's fight against the Japanese invaders. More than 2,000 Flying Tigers airmen sacrificed their lives during the war. The Chinese people also provided American pilots with assistance at all costs. More than 200 pilots in distress were rescued, with thousands of Chinese people giving their lives during the rescue operations.
It's always an inspiration to me, but the main inspiration is for people like you, the young people, to understand this relationship and to realize that it's a foundation that they built during World War II, and it's a foundation that we should build on today.
The best thing is world peace, friendship between countries,